Hi, everyone, and welcome back to AWS Julie. Today, we're continuing our new series called AWS Noteworthy. And in this episode, we're just going to cover a few top highlights from last week. Please remember so this was a pretty quiet week in the AWS community for me because work was really busy and it took up the majority of my free time. But I did see a lot of articles and blogs around the new AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Beta exam. And that was pretty cool to see what people think are going to be the big differences between the CO2 and the CO3. And there was a bit more information that came out around the update of the new beta exam. I also saw a little bit of talk around the AWS Clean Energy Accelerator Program 2.0. And this is pretty awesome because for this program, 10 startup companies are going to be chosen, and they're going to receive technical, business, and go-to market mentorship from AWS, plus up to 100,000 in AWS promotional credits. That's really amazing. And I'll add a link if you want to learn more about that. I also saw a few upcoming events, one for today. So happy Pi Day, everyone. So for today, AWS has an entire day of online content to celebrate 16 years of innovation with Amazon S3. The sessions are going to cover data protection, security, compliance, archiving, data lakes, backup, and so much more. And I'll add a link if you want to sign up and join that today. And if you do, I'll see you there. I'm looking forward to it. There's another event coming up next week, and this is the .NET Application Modernization Webinar, and this is scheduled for March 23rd. And for this event, you can learn all about .NET modernization, what it is, and why you might want to modernize. I heard that there's also going to be a deep dive that focuses on the AWS microservice extractor for .NET, and I'll add a link if you want to sign up for that next week as well. I also want to just quickly remind everyone in the community to jump into our AWS community and use what you're learning, not only to help yourself, but to help others. And I saw last week as well that there's a new cloud community called Learn to Cloud. It's a Discord community, and it was started by my friend Gwen. We work together at Linux Academy and A Cloud Guru, but I added a link to the new Discord community to the AWS training and resources documentation that we're maintaining and updating when we see new things for the AWS community. So check that out. And remember that no matter what you are currently diving into, use and apply that knowledge as you learn. That's the key. And comment below and let me know what you're currently learning, what you're studying, what you're ramping up on. I'm still diving into Terraform, but I'm really excited to see what the AWS community is learning, what's needed. Are we creating the content that you need and that you can use? It's really unclear. So any feedback is greatly appreciated. And that wraps up another AWS Noteworthy. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope to see y'all again next week.